Hello and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Today's Wordle Solved, where you guess it, I solved today's Wordle. You'll see the strategy I used, plus I'll give you tips and tricks on how to be the best Wordle player you can possibly be. So take a little time and check it out. You'll be glad you did. Let's go. Here's Wordle number 734 for Friday, June 23rd, 2003. My starter word has been really good to me the last few days. Here it is. It is raise. Is it good to me today? No, not really. All I have is an E, and it is in the incorrect place, so not a good start. So what do I do here? Next, I go to my second word, which has three vowels, Y-O-U-T-H. Now, I have used all of the vowels, and I get two more letters. The O is in the correct place. The T is not, so now it's going to be much easier. Now I have to figure out how the words go in order, so let me go with X, O, I'm going to put the T right here, E, X, and see if I can find something that goes here. The key is going to be finding out what the last letter is, so what goes with the E, T-E-W, T-E-P, T-E-D. T-E-D would work. Voted is a word. I'm going to try voted just to see if the T and the E are in the correct place. V-O-T-E-D. This is really good as I now have four letters. I added the V and the E is in the correct place. So the V is going to have to be in the middle. So X, O-V-E-T, and I just have to figure out what the first letter is. Let me start with the available letters. Wovet, Po, F, no, G, no, J, K, L. Love it. Nope. Z, X, C, covet. B-N-M, covet, C-O-V-E-T. I think that's the only one that can work. C-O-V-E-T, covet. Got it in 4. Today my starter word was not very helpful, but I used my second word that has the other three vowels, a T and an H. And it seemed to have worked out. Voted was a good guess. It helped me get the V, and I was able to get covet in 4 tries. So there you have it, how I solved today's Wordle. I hope you learned something from watching this video, and if you did, I hope you take the time to like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, happy Wordling, and be sure to tune in tomorrow for the next Wordle solution.